S&P 5. This is the market rag for Tuesday, January 29th, 2008. The market's put in a pretty impressive day here before the Fed announcement tomorrow. We had good positive moves on all the broad indexes. The Dow was up 0.78% or just about 100 Dow points, so looking pretty strong on that aspect. You can see not too much happened here in the commodities. Oil was up a bit, and the bonds kind of taking a little bump to the chin there, being down almost 1%. Looking at the broad indexes in the commodities here, again you can see some of the percent changes. The one thing to notice here on a sentiment grid, again all our trends are still down on the weekly basis. And we still have a lot of red here. There's not a lot of optimism in our sentiment grid at all. That changes a bit when you come down to the commodities. We're still pretty positive in gold and the euro as well. Taking a look at the S&P 500, you can see we've come down, broke through support. We've now jumped up here and kind of just barely bounced off that old support, which should hopefully now become resistance. You can see the market then put in a very bearish signal, and this is what we call a bearish engulfing pattern. But what's interesting is the next day it almost engulfs it in a bullish formation. And then we had our little range today. With this bullish action then bearish action following each other, I think basically everyone's on hold until the Fed announcement tomorrow. I'd really be watching a break of this high or a break of this low to pick the next direction for the market. As we come down here and take a look at the sectors again, you'll see pretty much everything was in the green today, except for the semis and materials, which just took a barely a little knock on the chin. The big move today was in telecom, up over 3.5%. Besides that, the only thing up over 1% today were your energies and your transports. Here's a chart of the daily telecom, and here's that big move up today. You'll see we're still in a downtrend, so it just kind of bounced up, and it's got a little room to move here to this old support area. Energy, which was another one of today's winner, is basically in the same situation. Transports is an interesting one because we got down here near a support area, and boy, look at that rebound. And again, the last couple days hasn't done much, but we have had a dramatic rebound in this area. Again, this is one of your better performing groups today. Semiconductors, which fell in the bottom of the list, as you can see, really put in a narrow range bar and didn't do too much. To kind of sum this up, you guys, I'm going neutral with my market rating. I feel pretty flat about things until after this Fed announcement comes out. Remember, the bigger term trend is still in a downtrend. That's where the probabilities lie, to the downside. My portfolio is looking pretty good, so I've still got that at a positive rating of 1. I think I'm going to basically sit on my hands through tomorrow and let the news get through and start trading again on Thursday. You guys enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.